Ready? Yeah. Follow Grandma. And then you can throw a little turn. I love it. Yeah, follow Grandma and mimic her. Excellent, buddy. Don't get too close to her. We're right on you, Grandma. Pick up a little speed. Excellent. This is nice, isn't it? A little more fun than just Chickadee. Love it, huh? Look how good the snow is, too. It's better than yesterday. A little steep here. You're going to go fast unless you control your speed a little bit. There you go. Love it. Follow her. Stay right behind her. Oh, that was so good. What'd you think of that?
I really liked it.
Me too. Okay, so go for it. Just control your speed and have fun. There you go. There you go. Excellent. Excellent. A little speedster. He's kind of fearless. I don't know if that's good. Let's slow it down a little bit, buddy. Slow her down. Okay, pretty good there at the bottom. You're a fearless young man. Hey, look at me. You're a fearless young man, aren't you?
He is. Keep him safe, babe.
Control your speed. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Turn those into some turns. Turns. Let's do the 1, 2, 3 stop. Okay, let's try that. Okay, we'll just make a 1, 2, 1. Okay, the other way. 2, 3, stop. Good work. Good work. That was good. Do it again. 1, 2. Oh, that's not bad. That's your first ball. Look, you can see her tracks. Those are pretty good. Those are cool.